In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snipping Tool exclusive mode audio error in Windows 11. So make sure you follow every step I'm going to show you in this video. It's going to be a straightforward tutorial. So what you need to do, click on this, come on here, type in control panel. So this is it. So I'm going to open it up. So just wait for it to load up. So this is the control panel. What you need to do, click on this hardware and sound. So wait for it to open up. Click on change sounds from this sound option. It's going to be a very straightforward tutorial. So keep watching. So click on playback. Click on speaker. Click on properties. So click on advanced. Click on advanced. You're going to be able to see exclusive mode. So you can see allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Give exclusive mode. So turn these two off. Once you have turned it off, click on this apply. If you try this out, it's gonna work out well for you. Just try it out and come back to this video and thank me later. I'll see you in the next one.